Now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
A good Monday morning to you, East Texas. Starting today off on a pretty hot note out there as we've got those temperatures already here at about 11:30 in the upper 80s. So it is warming up quickly, those dew points in the mid 70s, and with that, of course, comes those heat index values up there near 100 degrees. So as we check out what we're seeing across the state right now, we've got partly cloudy skies here into East Texas, some rain and storms out to our west, and the potential for some of that activity to get into our area here in East Texas. And already starting to see some of those pop up here over into portions of Van Zant and Rains counties there near Emory, getting a pretty heavy downpour right now. Also a storm trying to move into western sections of Anderson County. And as we check out those rain chances today, 30% up to 40% tomorrow, then even more, 50% Wednesday, and then down to just scattered to even isolated chances as we head into the end of the week. Here's one model's depiction of what we could see as we go into this afternoon. You can see just a scattering of pop-up showers and storms as we head through about mid to late afternoon into the evening. That's going to be kind of that prime time for some of those storms. And then we lose daytime heating and we lose those rain chances. And here's another model's depiction showing, again, just the pop-up nature of these storms. Nothing widespread or too terribly heavy expected, but we could certainly see some heavier downpours in some of these storms. And then, of course, we lose it with the daytime heating. Here's a look at those rainfall totals over the next 7 days. About a ½ inch to an inch seems pretty likely here across most of East Texas. And that, of course, will be spread out over the next couple of days. Now, speaking of rainfall, out into central Texas, where we've had, of course, all those just horrific stories from the flooding the last several days. Still looking at some flash flood warnings out there, and rain totals the past 7 days, 10, 15, 20 inches. These are months worth of rainfall that we've gotten here. Even some of that fell within just 12 to 24 hours. So just a terrible situation unfolding out there. But luckily, rain chances are going down in the coming days. And temperatures are warming up, already 93 in Texarkana. 80s are pretty widespread here across most of East Texas. And again, we're going to continue to climb into those 90s heading into this afternoon. So we are expecting those heat index values to climb up to near 100 degrees as we head through the day today. And also, we've still got that Sahara dust out there, and we will continue to monitor that over the coming days. Another large area of that over the Caribbean right now that's going to be moving in that general direction coming our way over the next several days. Here's a look at that forecast for you today. Some scattered storms possible. 92 is going to be that high temperature. As we go into tonight, we'll look for lows around 74 under partly cloudy skies. Your 7-day forecast shows even greater rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday, and then lower chances as we head into the weekend. And those temperatures, they're going to be warming up back into the upper 90s potentially as we head into Saturday and Sunday. So pretty typical summertime pattern is in the forecast. And for more on that forecast, you can always visit us over at ketk.com.